So we will now see a little game of guessing the terms. So the picture will come here and we need to guess what is the term. So for that we are going to use this repeat down or repeat left rectangle. So for that we can give the x coordinates here and y coordinate is 130. So here we need to give a repeat length, breadth and positive. So we need to give it randomly. For that we're going to set variables. We can set a repeat, set r, that is for repeat, r for repeat. So it is just a number. So we can pick from 1 to 6. And for length, we can put the r here. For length, breadth and positive or negative, we need to give x, y, z for length, breadth, x, y, z and 1. And for positive negative, we need to give p or n. So in the modules, there is a list here, x, y, z index. It contains our x, y, z, 1, p and n. So we're going to use this list since our modules are made using this, working using this list. We are also going to use this list. So we can pick randomly from in the list. We can pick anything x, y, z or 1 for length and breadth, and we can randomly pick a positive or negative for the p/n, for our term to be positive or negative. So we can now hide this. Let it stay for a while. We can set our L for length. So we need to pick randomly from 1 to 4 from this list. So for that, we can use the item of the list. In the list, if we go to the blocks, there is a thing called item. One of here the arrow, if we click the arrow, it will show us the list of lists. So there are 3 lists, x, y, z colors, index and length. So these are present in the index. So we will switch that and we need to pick it random. So we will set the range from 1 to 4 since we need x, y, z and 1. So we'll just see item 1 means it's x. Item 1 of x, y, z index means it's 1 x. If it is 6th item means it is n. If it is 5th item, it will give p. So right now we need from 1 to 4 only. So we are setting the range from 1 to 4. It is the same for the breadth also. So we set the breadth b. So like that. And we put the L and B here. And for p/n, it has to be either p or n. So we can also pick the p and n from this list. And there is a variable p/n. And so p and n are in the 5th and 6th places. So it can either pick 5 or 6 from randomly. And we can also put the variable here. Now we can hide the variable, hide the list. And we need to add the erase all and the flag. So now we will see. Every time it will pick a different term. This term is just constants. It is 1 times 1. So the blue color border is 1. So it is just a 1 square. It means it is just 1. So there are 2 here. It means it is just 2. 2 ones. It is just 2. So now we need to guess what is this term. For that there is a module called set answer. We can call that here. In the set answer, if you see, um, so it will set the answer according to the variables. If b is equal to 1, set answer like that. We have set the answer. So we just so we can just call the function set answer. Then the correct answer will be stored in the answer variable. Then we can ask the question, guess the term. Our answer will be stored in the answer variable. The answer is equal to answer. We'll give a correct comment. If it is wrong, it will keep asking you until we give the right answer. So since the sprite is always beside our drawing, when we ask the question, we are going to hide the sprite, and it will show only when the correct answer is given. So that's it. So let's try this. So we always take this length as the first side and the breadth is the second side. So the answer is now, since the coloring is in yellow color, so it's negative, and there are 4 rectangles here, so it's negative 4 of the green color is y, so the answer is negative 4y. Correct. We can again play. So here both xy and yx are same, but right now we have only set the answer like breadth and length, this length and breadth. We take this side as first and this side as second. So but it's absolutely correct that xy is equal to yx. So the shading is in brown, so it's a positive term. There are 2 rectangles here, so it's 2x, is it?